So our mesh, a lot of people want to know how they can clean it. Now, you might need to clean it because it's been particularly wet, or you've got it in a well-shaded area, so it's gained a bit of green, a little bit of that algae, mossy look. We can clean that off. Some people have a lot of dust flying in from around the areas. If you need to clean it, it's simple. Just get a bucket of soapy water with a soft brush, relatively soft brush scrubber, and just give it a bit of a scrub. So we don't recommend nappy sand or the bleaches because eventually it may start leaching through with the rain and coming down onto your planted soil. So let's not do that. Light scrubber, that should do the trick. Some people have recommended, or a Karcher or the gurneys. Look, again, there's a lot of pressure in that. I wouldn't be doing it just in case you may damage it. Remember that they are super strong, but you should take care of them as well and give them a light scrub, and that shall do the trick. They are UV stabilised. We've also had in the past, and indeed I've even recommended it before, putting it in a light wash. Well, if you don't have the right wash or it gets turned a bit, another Vegepod has told us that it started to come undone at the Velcro seams, so don't do that either. Happy Vegepod and grow your food.